Hi, my name is Steve, and in this screencast, I'm going to show you 3 ways to embed Sparxo on your website. It's a great idea to embed Sparxo on your website because it's a seamless way for people to register events on your site directly. It is an easy process that involves only copying a few lines of code, but first, let me show you what it looks like from someone who's checking out one of your events. This is a site that I created as a demo site. I used squarespace.com. Super easy to set up a site with Squarespace. I'm going to go over to the calendar view of the site. And in this calendar view, you can see there's cards laid out of events. This is what we call our card view. In our card view, you have the date information of the event title, time, and location. And once you click on the card, a pop-up comes up on the window and it shows you RSVP options as well as other information. To register for the event, I simply have to click on the ticket level that I want and click continue and fill out my information. And I can do that and register the event without leaving the site altogether. I'm going to click off of this window right now. The other integration besides Cardview is our calendar view. And our calendar view lays out events in a calendar type format. As you see, there are several events in July. I can click on any one of these and see the details for that event. Just like with the card view, I can check out for the event and I won't have to move out of the site throughout the whole process. There's one more that I want to show you, and that's under these event pages that I've made. This is for an event page that I made on the site. And let's say I want to give some event details, but I don't need to list out all the events. I just want access to this particular event. This is what we call an event buy button, or RSVP checkout button. If I click on this button, the pop-up comes up again and I can register for this event, all without leaving the site. You know what it looks like. I want to show you how easy it is to embed these buttons, card view, and calendar view on your website. First, we need to go to the Sparxo dashboard, which I'm already logged into, and we're going to pick any event because you can take the code for the calendar view and the card view from any event. To find that information, I'm going to go to Manage, Integration Codes and URLs. And as you see, this is all the ways that you can see how to check out through your event. And some are embed codes. We also have a splash page and a Facebook view. We're going to take the event card list. It's all of this code right here, and we're going to copy that to our clipboard. It can be copied in anywhere HTML and JavaScript is allowed, and the event cards would automatically show. But we're using Squarespace, and Squarespace has a special feature called Embed. So this is where I can manage my Squarespace design. I'm going to add an embed widget, and I'm going to click on this icon, which lets me paste in code, which I'll do now. And this is ready to go. I'm going to apply that. And the preview is off, but it's okay. We're going to save this for now. Now we're going to go back and do the same for the calendar. The calendar code is right here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to Squarespace. I'm going to edit this section. And right under here, I'm going to add another embed. I'm going to click on this icon to bring up the code where I can copy code. Paste that code in, set it, apply it, and then I'm going to save it. Now I can preview in safe mode, here and here, and this should be saved back to the site. So that's how I made that current page that we saw earlier, right here, going back. That's how easy it is. I can do the same thing that I showed you for this event one. Back the Sparxo dashboard into the event URLs and embed codes. And I'm going to look for the event buy button code, which is right here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into this calendar, and I'm actually going to navigate to the events page under demo event 1. And as you see, I already have this here. So what I'm going to do is just delete it for you, show you again. So I'm going to delete this section. Yes. All right, now I'm going to add another embed section. It's right here. Click this icon to add code. Paste the code in. I'm going to set the code and apply it. And as you see here, as it's previewing in the safe mode, it just says buy button. I want to change it to say something more descriptive because we're not actually buying anything. We're going to be RSVPing to this event. I'm going to go ahead and edit this and click on this to get the code back. I'm going to look in the code for buy right here, and I can customize it right here. Make sure it's the buy that is right before the /A. So I'm going to say this is RSVP here, and that's the button action. And also you see the buy button is kind of to the left. Just going to use a little HTML code here to center that so it looks good. Center. That code just looks like this with the center, and then you close it like that. I'm going to set this, I'm going to apply it, and look at that. It looks really great. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and it's going to look exactly like what you saw when we were showing you in the first place, right here, RSV here. Well, thank you for joining me. That's how you easily embed Sparxo buy buttons, and you get this really slick look where your customers and ticket registrants don't have to leave your site to check out your event and register for your event.